MrBeast would copy this bird's style. Does such a bright bird ever feel embarrassed? Subscribe to find out. And while you're subscribing, let me explain. The flamboyant star of the Andes, the Andean Cock-of-the-rock, with its bright orange feathers and interesting head shape, it performs impressive dances for females. It's like it's walking on a runway. Its colors are so bright that it seems like it was created to attract attention rather than hide in nature. We could call it nature's rock star. If you want to see more like this, follow us and check out our other videos.